Where did they get with darkness? Huh? I won. I am. Hey dear unique, dear friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. I want to tell you about myself. I will never forget the laughter of some of my students, those I taught and did favors in several years. When 8 of my oil and precious paintings were lost at the Bandar Abbas post office and destroyed, these artworks of mine were supposed to be exhibited at the American International Art Exhibition, and they weren't. Later, I found out which painter was the snake. I found out which were her students and friends and which were one of the other painters. In this city where I live, in Rafsanjan, no one is happy with anyone's growth, happiness, and progress. And that's true. Before you can or want to achieve what you want, they find every way to hit you. Unfortunately, you hit the spot. You can't move. You can't do anything. You can't achieve because they don't want to and won't let you. They will block your path. They inflict blows and wounds on you. So if you rise up and want to live the life you want, so that if you want to create and be yourself, they step beyond and dry up your roots. They actually do that every day with every artist, so that you are afraid to even approach your artistic tools. That happened to me. So yeah, I was afraid to even approach my artistic tools and the art I had. And you asked me, Amira, God, have I ever wondered how I got here, oh dear God? Twisty path full of people who had no trace of humanity inside them. And it's still not. The words, the accusations, the conspiracy, they were happy with the things they were doing to me. They were happy about my problems, about my trauma. Oh my God. Yeah. But let me ask you something. Where did they get with these darkness? Huh? I won. I am. Yeah. So don't give up in darkness. Okay? Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself and go forward. Yeah. I love you. I love you and I'm proud of you. Dear Unique. Love you. Bye.